stopping by, pulling up, and tuning in to another video with us.
Yes, so we're actually in Charlotte right now. We're about to go visit some apartments, some townhouses, because we'll be living here in the next couple of months. So we're gonna go explore and see the city too.
Yeah, so we're gonna take you with us to view some apartments. We're gonna look at it. We have a list and some requirements. And hopefully they're cute, and then we'll show you what we're working with here in Charlotte.
But yeah, stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.
That is it for our apartment tour. We saw so many apartments while in Charlotte, but these were the top ones that we wanted to share with you. The apartment that we're currently living in, because we are currently in Charlotte, we did not include it in here, not because it wasn't cute, but because we wanted to show you guys these apartments. Please like and subscribe, share the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.